Now let's solve these problems here. Write an equation in point-slope form of the line that passes through the given point and hence the given slope. So let's take note that the standard formula for point-slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, where m here is our slope, and then y, x sub 1 and y sub 1 is the point given. Unless we're given 2 points, then we have to solve for the slope. So we are going to write an equation in this form. So let's solve the first one. We're given here point negative 6, negative 2, and slope that is equal to 3. So this is our x sub 1 and y sub 1. So we just have to plug in everything. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So there'll be y minus our y sub 1 is negative 2. Our slope is 3, so that is x minus negative 6. So y, negative times negative, so this is y plus 2. 3 times x minus negative 6, so that is x plus 6. So this is our equation in point slope form. And the next one, we're given 4, negative 5 with slope 6, so that is y minus negative 5 equals 6 times x minus 4. So let's simplify this. This would be y plus 5 equals 6 times x minus 4. Then this is our equation in point slope form. Now let's solve another problem. So write an equation in point slope form of the line that passes through the points given. As what I mentioned a while ago, if we're given 2 points, then we have to solve for the slope first before writing an equation in point slope form. So the formula for our slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So x1, y1 here, and x2, y2 are the points, 2 points. Okay, so let's solve the first one. So let's say this is our x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So solving for the slope, that would be y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we just plug in everything. Our y sub 2 is 2. Y sub 1 is negative 2. So that is 2 minus negative 2. And then x sub 2 is negative 3 minus our x sub 1 is 9, which is 9. So simplifying it, 2 minus negative 2, that is 2 plus 2. Negative 3 minus 9, that is negative 12. So this would be 4 over negative 12. And we can further reduce this because 12 is divisible by 4. So this would be negative 1 over 3. So our slope is negative 1/3. Now we can write an equation in point slope form. So we got our slope negative 1/3. Now we can write an equation in point slope form. So for x sub 1 and y sub 1, we can choose either of the 2 points given here. So let's say I'll choose this one, negative 3 and 2. So choose point negative 3, 2. So we can write that as y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 times x plus 3, because that is x minus negative 3, so that will become x plus 3. So this is our point slope form of the equation. Again, let's solve more. So let's say this is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So solving for our slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Okay, so that would be 1 minus 7, 5 minus 4. So our slope would be negative 6 over 1. So that is just equal to negative 6. So our slope is negative 6. Then we can just plug in everything. Slope is negative 6. Then let's say we choose 0.51 as our x sub 1, y sub 1. So we can plug in everything to our point slope form. Be y minus 1 equals negative 6 x minus 5. So this is our equation in point slope form.